Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WP Bakery. WP Bakery Page Builder is a powerful tool for WordPress, allowing you to design stunning pages with ease. It's a visual drag-and-drop editor, meaning you can create complex layouts without writing a single line of code. You'll learn to build pages visually, utilizing its extensive collection of elements and pre-designed templates. This guide will help you master its core functionalities in just a few minutes. To begin, ensure the WP Bakery Page Builder plugin is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once active, navigate to any page or post where you wish to build or edit content. You will then see a prominent Backend Editor button. Clicking this button switches you from the default WordPress editor to the intuitive WP Bakery visual interface, ready for your creative design work. Building your page is straightforward with WP Bakery's drag-and-drop functionality. Start by adding rows and columns to define your page structure, much like a grid. Then, select from over 50 diverse content elements, such as text blocks, images, or buttons. Simply drag these elements into your chosen columns. Each element offers extensive customization options, allowing you to fine-tune its appearance and behavior to match your design vision perfectly. For more advanced design, WP Bakery offers powerful features. Leverage its library of pre-designed templates to kickstart your projects, saving you valuable time. You can also save your own custom-built layouts as templates, making them reusable across your entire website. Don't forget to explore the extensive add-on library for even more functionalities. Always ensure your final designs are fully responsive, providing an optimal viewing experience on every device, from desktops to mobile phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.